Cybersecurity Training Seminar. Cybersecurity used to be thought of as a specialized, niche occupation. But with the advance of cybercrimes over the past few years, just about everyone with access to a laptop, desktop or mobile device has had to do something to protect their electronic data. In other words, even if you don't work in IT, you should understand the risks and vulnerabilities of logging online. The truth is, hackers still lean heavily on human error for launching a cyber attack, especially in the work arena. Research shows that around 90% of all cybercrimes stem from some type of human error or behavior. A data compromise is much more likely to come from an employee leaving a laptop on the bus than from a pre-planned, malicious cyber attack. Other common employee IT mistakes that can lead to disastrous scenarios for a company: opening email attachments from strangers, forwarding email attachments from strangers, using unimaginative passwords, using the same password for years, leaving sticky notes on your desk with passwords, clicking on advertisements, using work computers for personal use. Participants are introduced to a wide variety of topics, including cutting-edge ways of mitigating cybersecurity vulnerabilities and protecting information systems of cyber-resilient environments, mobile devices, networks or cloud computing systems. Cybersecurity training. 4 major parts are: Cybersecurity Foundation, 28 courses; Untitled Security, 1 course; Risk Management Framework Training, 6 courses; Wireless Security Training, 9 courses. Cybersecurity Foundation courses are: Cloud Security Training Crash Course. Price, $2,999. Course number, 6001. Length, 3 days. Cloud Security Training Boot Camp by Tonex provides technical details on information, data, and storage security in the cloud. All aspects of authentication, confidentiality, integrity, availability and security risks and mitigations are covered. Who should attend? Ideal for IT professional, information security and privacy practitioners, business managers, and service providers. This course offers you detailed information on cloud computing security. Computer Network Architecture Training. Price, $2,199. Length, 3 days. Computer Network Architecture Training helps you learn principles of computer networking, internet architecture, internet protocols, wireless networks and next-generation networking. Who should attend? If you are an IT professional who specializes in network security, you will benefit. The presentations, examples, case studies, discussions, and individual activities upon the completion of the Computer Network Architecture Training and will prepare yourself for your career. Critical Infrastructure Protection, CIP, NERC Training. Price, $2,199. Length, 3 days. Critical Infrastructure Protection, CIP, NERC training course will teach you the CIP standards developed by Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, FERC, and North American Electric Reliability Corporation, NERC, and will help you to understand the requirements for personnel and training, physical security of bulk electric systems, BES, cybersecurity and information protection. Who should attend? IT and ICS cybersecurity personnel, field support personnel and security operators, auditors, vendors and team leaders. All individuals who need to understand the critical infrastructure protection, CIP, NERC concepts. Cybersecurity applied to embedded systems. Price, $1,999. Length, 2 days. Cybersecurity Applied to Embedded Systems Training is a 2-day training discusses fundamentals of embedded systems and applications of cybersecurity to illustrate unique vulnerabilities that are commonly exploited. Who should attend? Product, process designers and engineers, developers working with embedded systems, information security professionals, application developers. More. Cybersecurity Certificate Vulnerabilities and Risk Management, Part 1. Price, $4,999 link. 5 days. Cybersecurity Certificate Part 1, Vulnerabilities and Risk Management by Tonex is designed for the IT professionals to accomplish changes to the recent advancement toward cybersecurity, vulnerable cyber attacks, user interface problems related to the system privacy, and malware-secured networks. Who should attend? Executives working in security area. IT professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts, security operation personnel and network administrators, system integrators and security consultants, cybersecurity professionals and computer engineers and security traders, technicians, operators and maintenance personnel on cybersecurity area. Cyber threat simulation training. Price, $3,999 length, 3 days. Cyber threat simulation training covers principles of cyber threats, advanced cyber warfare and threat simulation principles. Who should attend? Cyber threat analysts, digital forensic analysts, incident response team members, threat hunters, federal agents, law enforcement officials, military officials. Cybersecurity systems engineering training. Price, $2,499 length, 3 days. Cybersecurity systems engineering training provides you with an interdisciplinary approach of system engineering in order to achieve a secure information system in cyber world. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of cybersecurity. Security testers looking to understand new engineering approaches of testing. Test analysts who are looking for technical training of cybersecurity systems. Project managers, quality managers, cybersecurity managers, business analysts or IT directors. Cybersecurity test and evaluation, T&E, training. Price, $1,699 length, 2 days. Cybersecurity test and evaluation, T&E, training teaches you to implement iterative testing and evaluating processes in order to guarantee the ability of an information system in operational environment full of vulnerabilities. Who should attend? Program and product managers, requirements and DoD personnel, system engineers, DoD IT personnel, IT professionals in the DoD organizations, Air Force and military personnel in charge of cybersecurity, DoD employees and contractors or service providers, all DoD personnel in charge of information assurance, disaster recovery and business continuity training. Price, $1,699 length, 2 days. Disaster Recovery and Business Continuity Training course helps you understand a variety of topics in disaster recovery and business continuity such as Introduction to Disaster Recovery, Concept of Disasters, Introduction to Business Continuity, Disaster Recovery Processing Plans, Risk Management Techniques, Facility Protection during Disaster Recovery Period, Data, System Recovery, Incident Response and Public Service Effect in Disaster Recovery Plan. Who should attend? All individuals who need to understand the concept of disaster recovery and business continuity. IT professionals in the areas of information security and disaster recovery. Electric Grid Cybersecurity Master Certification. Price, $29,999 length, 4 weeks. Electric Grid Cybersecurity Master Certification is a master course. We call it Electric Grid Cybersecurity Master Certification, EGM. It is our specialty. Who should attend? Cybersecurity professionals, including network engineers, telecom engineers, security analysts, intel and policy analysts, security operations personnel, network administrators and operations, system integrators, security consultants. Fundamentals of Malwares and Protection Against Malware Training. Price, $1,699 length, 2 days. By increasing number of cybercrimes and cyberattacks these days, one should anticipate more training in cybersecurity area to guarantee a cyber-secured network. Tonex, as a leader in security industry for more than 15 years, has recently released the fundamentals of malwares and protection against malware training. Who should attend? All individuals who need to understand the concept of malwares and malware protection schemes. IT professionals in the areas of incident response, forensic investigation, Windows security and system administration. Cybersecurity professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Fundamentals of threats and risk management training. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Cyberattacks are being more vulnerable these days, which convinces us to practice the cybersecurity in order to protect the cyber world from the attacks. Tonex, as a leader in security industry for more than 15 years, has recently released the cybersecurity training for threats and risk management. Who should attend? All individuals who need to understand the concept of risk management and threats. Cybersecurity professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators and security consultants. Computer engineers working on cybersecurity technology. Hardware security training by Tonex. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. The hardware security training course introduces you to a variety of cryptographic processor and processing overhead, side channel attacks, physically unclonable functions, hardware-based true random number generator, watermarking of IPS, FPGA security, passive and active metering and hardware-based secure program execution. Who should attend? All individuals who need to understand the concept of hardware security. IT professionals in the areas of hardware security, embedded system security and secure hardware design. Cybersecurity professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Industrial Control System, ICS, cybersecurity training. Price, $3,999. Length, 4 days. ICS cybersecurity training is designed for security professionals and control system engineers in order to provide them with advanced cybersecurity skills and knowledge in order to protect the industrial control system, ICS, and keep their industrial operation environment secure against cyber threats. Who should attend? Control engineers, integrators and architects who will be designing a secure ICS. System administrators, engineers who secure ICS. Information technology, IT, professionals who administer, patch or secure ICS. Security consultants who perform security assessment and penetration testing of ICS. Managers who are responsible for ICS. Industrial Control System and SCADA cybersecurity training. Price, $2,499. Length, 3 days. Industrial Control System, ICS, and SCADA cybersecurity training by Tonex will help you to support and defend your industrial control system to operate in a threat-free environment and resilient against emerging cybersecurity threats. Who should attend? IT and ICS cybersecurity personnel. Field support personnel and security operators. Auditors, vendors and team leaders. All individuals who need to understand the ICS and SCADA protection concepts. Electric utility engineers working in electric industry security. System personnel working on system security. System operators and individuals in electric utility organizations. Information security and risk management training. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Information security and risk management training course helps you to understand a variety of topics in information security and risk management, such as Introduction to Information Security, Layers of Security, Threats and Vulnerabilities in Information Security, Concept of Data and Data Security, Risk Modeling, Risk Management Techniques, Risk Management Components, and Risk Assessment Techniques. Who should attend? All individuals who need to understand the concept of information security and risk management, IT professionals in the areas of information security and risk management. Cybersecurity professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network. Introduction to Cryptography. Price, $1,999. Length, 2 days. Introduction to Cryptography introduces course participants to the field of cryptography. The attendees will learn the foundations of modern symmetric and key cryptography, cryptographic algorithms, protocols, stream and block ciphering and other topics including IPsec, SSL/TLS, OpenPGP, SSH, Kerberos Feistel networks, DE, and S, encryption modes of operation and principles of the public key algorithms. Who should attend? Cybersecurity professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network. Introduction to Cryptography Training, Level 1. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Introduction to Cryptography Training Course Description. The Tonex Cryptography Training Course introduces you to a variety of topics in cryptography such as, information security and cryptography, stream and block ciphers, symmetric and asymmetric encryption, public key infrastructure, PKI, encryption, public key encryption, hash functions, digital signatures, and digital certificates. Who should attend? All individuals who need to understand the concept of cryptography. IT professionals in the areas of software security and cryptography. Cybersecurity professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators. Introduction to Hacking Training. Price, $2,458.90. Length, 3 days. Introduction to Hacking Training introduces the world of computer hacking and hackers' approaches against security. The advanced hacking training gives you the comprehensive understanding of hackers and how the systems can be attacked so that proper defense technique can be implemented. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of information security and network security. Security officers, site administrators and any individual working on network infrastructure. Executives and managers of cybersecurity and system engineering areas. Information technology professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators. Introduction to Secure Software Engineering Training. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. The Introduction to Secure Software Engineering Training covers the software engineering basics and helps you to catch up with the recent developments towards software engineering. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of information security and software engineering. Executives and managers of cybersecurity and system engineering area. Information technology professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators and security consultants. Security traders to understand the software security of web system, mobile devices, or other devices. Linux Security Training Crash Course. Price, $2,999. Length, 4 days. Linux Security Training Crash Course provides the participants with an in-depth coverage of Linux security and Unix security issues. Learn how to mitigate Linux security issues, file systems or applications. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of information security and software engineering. Executives and managers of cybersecurity and system engineering area. Information technology professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators and security consultants. Network Security Training. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Network Security Training by Tonex introduces the importance of security in networks and helps you to understand the main components of a secured network. Network Security Training helps you examine the security-related issues in networks and provides you with necessary preparation to secure the networks from attacks and exploits. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of information security and network security. Executives and managers of network security and system engineering areas. Information technology professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators and security consultants. Smart Grid Cybersecurity Training. Price, $2,599. Length, 3 days. Smart Grid Cybersecurity Training course will teach you the important aspects of cybersecurity and smart grids. The training consists of detailed information about smart power systems, recent technologies toward the smart grids, potential threats and vulnerabilities in smart grids and security assessment in smart grids in order to advance the knowledge of audience about the cybersecurity in smart grids. Who should attend? All individuals who need to understand the concept of security in smart grids. Power utility engineers working on smart grid technology. Test engineers who need to learn the security issues in power grids. Power traders to understand the smart grid security systems, independent system operator. Software security training. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Software Security Training course introduces you to a variety of topics in software security such as, secure programming techniques, trusted computing infrastructure, low-level software attacks, WAN security, risk management techniques, symbolic execution, and cloud/wireless/mobile device security. Who should attend? All individuals who need to understand the concept of software security. IT professionals in the areas of software security. Cybersecurity professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators and security consultants. Security traders. Software testing training. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Software testing training teaches you the advanced software testing and principles for today's rigorous testing demand and provides you the powerful tool and technique to reduce software defects, improve the quality and enhance your business success. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of software testing. Software testers looking to understand new approaches of testing. Test analysts who are looking for technical training of software testing. Project managers, quality managers, software development managers, business analysts or IT directors looking for a comprehensive training in software testing. Threat simulation and modeling training. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Threat simulation and modeling training teaches you the various types of threat modeling techniques and helps you to apply threat modeling as an advanced preventive form of security. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of information security and cybersecurity. Executives and managers of cybersecurity and threat modeling area. Information technology professionals, web engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators and security consultants. Security traders to understand the threat modeling techniques. Investors and contractors. Usable security fundamental training. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. The Usable Security Fundamental Training course introduces you to a variety of usability and user interface problems related to system privacy and security. Furthermore, it gives you the experience needed in design studies aimed to prevent usability issues in security and privacy systems. Who should attend? All individuals who need to understand the concept of usable security and human-computer interaction. IT professionals in the areas of usable security, Windows security and system administration. Cybersecurity professionals, network engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators and security consultants. Web security training. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. The web security training teaches you the advanced web browsing vulnerabilities from system penetration to identity theft as well as protection solutions to ensure the web security. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of information security and web security. Executives and managers of cybersecurity and web security area. Information technology professionals, web engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators and security consultants. Security traders to understand the software security of web system, mobile devices, or other devices. IOT Security, 1 course. IOT Security Training. IOT Security Awareness. Price, $1,899. Length, 2 days. IOT Security Training covers the Internet of Things security and discusses IOT protocols, potential risks, vulnerabilities, exploitation, data breaches, security framework and mitigation. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of information security and web security. Executives and managers of cybersecurity and web security area. Information technology professionals, web engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators, system integrators and security consultants. Risk Management Framework Training, 6 courses. Cybersecurity Procedures Overview, Dod 8500.01. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Cybersecurity Procedures Overview, Dod 8500.01 training gives you a classified approach and step-by-step procedure to secure your information system based on DoD standard instructions. Dod 8500.01 is a cybersecurity program to protect and defend DoD information and information technology, DoD IT, from prospective cybersecurity threats. Who should attend? IT professionals in the DoD organizations. Air Force and military personnel in charge of cybersecurity. DoD employees and contractors or service providers. All DoD personnel in charge of information assurance. Authorizing official representatives, chief information officers. Cybersecurity Test and Evaluation Workshop. Price, $3,999. Length, 3 days. Cybersecurity Test and Evaluation Workshop covers test and evaluation of many domains of business and warfighting aspects of Department of Defense, DoD, interconnected information technology, IT, systems. We discuss evaluation and testing of potential cyber vulnerabilities and threats posing a significant security problem for the DoD and its warfighters. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of information security and web security. Executives and managers of cybersecurity and web security area. Information technology professionals, web engineers, security analysts, policy analysts. Security operation personnel, network administrators. Rmf for Dod IT Crash Course. Price, $3,999.90. Length, 4 days. Rmf for Dod IT Crash Course teaches you the in-depth information about Risk Management Framework, RMF, for Department of Defense, DoD, Information Technology, IT. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of cybersecurity. DoD employees and contractors or service providers. Government personnel working in cybersecurity. Authorizing official representatives, chief information officers, senior information assurance officers, information system owners or certifying authorities. Employees of federal agencies and the intelligence community. Assessors, assessment team members, auditors, inspectors or program managers. Rmf Procedures Overview Dod 8510.01. Price, $1,699. Length, 2 days. Rmf Procedures Overview, Dod 8510.01 Training establishes the Risk Management Framework, RMF, for the Department of Defense, DoD, Information Technology, IT, for cybersecurity policies, responsibilities and risk management. RMF is a new replacement to DoD Information Assurance Certification and Accreditation Process, DIACAP, and manages the cybersecurity life cycle for DoD IT based on DoD, National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, and Committee on National Security Systems, CNSS, standards. Who should attend? IT professionals in the DoD organizations, Air Force and military personnel in charge of cybersecurity. DoD employees and contractors or service providers. All DoD personnel in charge of information assurance. RMF training. Introduction to Risk Management Framework. Price, $1,799. Length, 2 days. RMF training. Introduction to Risk Management Framework, RMF, offered by Tonex. Learn about DoD Information Technology in-depth. DoD RMF Basics. Tonex offers a series of Risk Management Framework, RMF, for DoD Information Technology in-depth. DoD RMF Basics. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of cybersecurity. DoD employees and contractors or service providers. Government personnel working in cybersecurity area. Authorizing official representatives, chief information officers, senior information assurance officers, information system owners or certifying authorities. Employees of federal agencies and the intelligence community. Assessors, assessment team members, auditors, inspectors or program managers of information technology area and more. RMF training, Risk Management Framework implementation. Price, $2,499. Length, 3 days. RMF training, Risk Management Framework implementation training gives you a classified approach and step-by-step procedure to implement the RMF standard into your information system. RMF can be applied through special publication of National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, NIST 837 to Federal Information Systems. Who should attend? IT professionals in the area of cybersecurity. DoD employees and contractors or service providers. Government personnel working in cybersecurity area. Authorizing official representatives, chief information officers, senior information assurance officers, information system owners or certifying authorities. Employees of federal agencies and the intelligence community, assessors, assessment team members. Wireless Security Training, 9 courses. 5G Security Training, 5G Wireless Security Training. Price, $4,999. Length, 5 days. Tonex 5G Security Training is an essential element in the development of security policies and technologies to protect 5G wireless networks from hacking, cyberattack and financial fraud. Security 5G Essentials Bootcamp Style. Intro to 5G Security. 5G Communications Systems Architecture. Security issues and challenges in 5G communications systems. Mobile malware attacks targeting a E2T and 3GPP security frameworks. LTE Advanced and LTE Pro security principles. LTE and LA security. 802.11x security applied to 5G. Self-organizing network, SON. Certified wireless security professional training. Price: $4,999. Course number: 9071. Length: 5 days. Tonex boot camps are intensive learning experiences that cover the essential elements of your chosen subject. Boot camps are ideal for busy professionals who want to stay current in their fields but have limited time to be away from the office. All boot camp includes experienced instructors including senior technology leaders, project managers, technical authors, engineers, educators, consultants, course developers, and CTOs. Real-life examples and practices. Small class size. Personalized instructor mentoring. Pre-training discussions. Ongoing post-training support via email, phone and WebEx. GSM and GPRS security. Price: $1,699. Course number: 6031. Length: 2 days. Having completed this course, the participant will be able to understand how security is implemented, deployed and managed in GSM, GPRS and UMTS networks, understand security concepts, understand the benefits of new security techniques applied and how they are implemented. Who should attend? Anyone needing in-depth knowledge of the security in the GSM family of wireless networks. The course is essential for network security and wireless specialists, operators and manufacturers, wireless network researcher, academics, security engineers, researchers and consultants. Gsm Fraud Training. Price: $3,999. Course number: 6003. Length: 4 days. GSM Fraud and Network Security training covers the latest topics: sharpen your GSM fraud prevention, GPRS, UMTS and LTE fraud is also introduced, skills and learn new techniques led by the profession's leading GSM fraud practitioners. Tonex is the world's premium telecom and wireless anti-fraud training and network security organization and premier provider of GSM, GPRS, UMTS/HSPA/HSPA+, LTE, 802.11, WiMAX, and telecom anti-fraud training and education provider. GSM Fraud Training course includes lectures, group discussions and projects. In addition to anti-GSM fraud training, this GSM Fraud Training course provides many opportunities to network with your GSM fraud practitioners and peers in the industry, as well as with Tonex staff and faculty members, at group lunches and social functions. HSPA, HSPA Plus and LTE Security Training. Price: $2,199. Course number: 6032. Length: 3 days. Having completed this course, the participant will be able to understand how security is implemented, deployed and managed in GSM, GPRS, UMTS, HSPA/HSPA+ and LTE networks, understand security concepts, understand the benefits of new security techniques applied and how they are implemented. Who should attend? Anyone who is interested in an in-depth knowledge of the security in the HSPA/HSPA+ and LTE family of wireless networks. The course is essential for network security and wireless specialists, operators and manufacturers, wireless network researcher, academics, security professionals, researchers and consultants. LTE Security Training, LTE and LTE Advanced Security. Price: $1,799. Length: 2 days. LTE Security Training discusses how LTE/EUTRAN and EPC security substantially extends GSM, 3G UMTS, and IMS security. LTE Security Training also encompasses the EUTRAN, EPC and IMS security architectural. Instructors are leading experts and industry consultants who participated in decisively shaping LTE/EPC/IMS security in the relevant standardization bodies. network access security, network domain security, user domain security, application domain security. User configuration and visibility of security are discussed as part of LTE security framework. Wireless ethical hacking penetration testing crash course. Price: $3,999. Course number: 6,503. Length: 4 days. Continuing education credits: 26. Wireless ethical hacking training course by Tonex provides an in-depth, hands-on comprehensive information on wireless security and penetration, testing, and defenses on wireless systems. Learn penetration testing using Kali Linux, security flagship ethical hacking tools and methods, designed and written by the Kali Linux developers. Who should attend? Ethical hackers and penetration testers. Network security professionals. Network and system administrators. Incident response teams. Information security policy decision makers. Technical auditors. Information security. Wireless LAN security training. Price: $1,499. Course number: 504. Length: 2 days. Wireless LAN security training is the cutting-edge training in wireless LAN security technologies. Who should attend? This course targets experienced networking professionals who wish to gain critical skills in wireless networking security, including how hackers attack networks and the means for preventing them from doing so. With the burgeoning growth of wireless LAN installations, all IT professionals must become knowledgeable about security, wireless security in particular system, network and security administrators. Individuals or organizations interested in new prevention, detection, or incident response technologies. University, government, or military. Wireless security training. Price: $2,999. Course number: 9,072. Length: 3 days. Wireless security training includes wireless ethical hacking, penetration testing, and defenses covering all aspects of wireless technologies. A comprehensive course covering wireless technologies, security, vulnerabilities, threats, exploits, and the defense techniques and technologies. Wireless security training course provides hands-on exercises in evaluating and attacking wireless and mobile networks including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, GSM, CDMA, UMTS, LTE, microwave, SATCOM and VSAT. We will expose you to the wireless and mobile security threats from the perspective of attackers and hackers. Why Tonex? Tonex has been documenting the cybercrime evolution for 25 years when it first began training organizations on how to better deflect contemporary cyber attack. Our cybersecurity training courses and seminars are continuously updated so that they reflect the latest industry trends, and they are also created by specialists in the industry who are familiar with the market climate. So far we have helped over 20,000 developers in over 50 countries stay up to date with cutting-edge information from our training categories. We're different because we take into account your workforce's special learning requirements. In other words, we personalize our training. Tonex has never been and will never be a one-size-fits-all learning program. Ratings tabulated from student feedback post-course evaluations show an amazing 98% satisfaction score. Contact Tonex for more information, questions, comments. Learn more about Tonex cybersecurity training seminars. This training is not just for IT people. Cybersecurity training seminars, Tonex training. www.tonex.com web link